Hope you enjoy watching. Discover joy.
London summers are super chill. It can get hot sometimes, but once you're in the shade, it's nice and cool. And the best part? It's not humid, so you barely ever get mosquito bites. Okay, time to go hunt for something awesome. The candle stand from DIY number 14 is here too. Nice looking chairs. It's a good idea to use a box, you see. Pricing prints is never easy? OMG, I want that adorable chair. Price is about £40, I guess.
Nice.
It's all one piece of wood, right? The wood grain looks amazing. Adding this hook to my DIY list. Probably an oak table from the Victorian era. The grain's just unbeatable. Found one here too. There's just something about signs, you know? I need one.
Mexican money clip. It's a garnet and silver marquise. English ring. Beautiful.
I still find them, I mean, I've got one at home and I still, that spike thing's very useful for all sorts of things.
More signs, these are new I guess. Here we go. Looks like an oak lampstand. Guess how much? Only £1. I'm taking this home. Great found. Yes, this is so my kind of store. I wish there were more like it. It's really sad how all the cool, unique shops are disappearing from the city because of rising prices. Can someone important please fix this? I've been into food from warm countries lately, and I love everything here. This time I'm trying cactus fruit, they call it tuna. Tasted like a mix of persimmon and pear, not bad. But those tiny seeds made it hard to eat. Kinda like guava seeds, just a bit smaller. Making iron is on my someday list. This cutout drawer is on my to make list. Got tons of ideas. Guys, smash that subscribe button.